I had a sexual abuse, which led to alcohol and drug abuse, trying to mask that pain and trauma. I had been holding on to that and it was festering. Through my ayahuasca journey, I was able to release that. And I have such a feeling of being free and no more chains holding me down. This is my third time coming to Arkana, twice to Sacred Valley and last year to the jungle. This has been an amazing experience for me. I came here to discover myself and find, and through being here and through the work I've done through ayahuasca, I really felt like I had a lot of dark energy inside me before coming here. I feel so much lighter. A weight has been lifted off my shoulder. To those hesitant about coming here, I had nerves prior, but I trusted in the process. I truly trust Arkana and the facilitators, the shamans, the staff. They provide a protected space so I could really work out this dark energy that was inside me that needed to come out. And I am grateful for the ability to share this and feel blessed.